how to enable Chrome on Discord. Firstly, the main point, as you want to take that selection, it is simply by going through the right stuff, or as you scroll on your right side you can find out all the members, and as you know, right here needs to be your Chrome session, as you can simply open up that site. And as you get on that selection stuff, which will here will be Chrome, simply you're gonna tap on the three dots, or you're gonna go on the settings side, which will be like this one, and will be like a settings site on a channel site, which will be known as Chrome. You're gonna simply go right there, just go for settings, and as you get right there you're gonna be able to choose between all these options. You're gonna scroll down and go for roles, and as you get right there, guys, what you need simply to do it is to go on that point which is called enabling Chrome, or here needs to be Chrome session. Here you need to disable the administrator permission from all roles. You're gonna simply tap on that selection, which will be like this one, and right from here, guys, the main point it is to go on that session, which will simply, as I said, disable that selection. You're gonna just go right there and you're gonna disable that site, and as you do that stuff you can simply check over that site. With getting back, just go yes to save this change. And as you get done with all that stuff, guys, as you need to know is simply to get back, you need to show again how to right now remove that Chrome symbol by getting to administrator. Just go roles, go everyone here, and as you scroll down you can find out the right session, which will get to the main point. The right session, guys, as you can see right from there, it is administrator, and you need to find it out. I cannot find it right now, but as you find administrator, just turn off that button and you're gonna take the right session.